So what are we doing to your truck today?
We're gonna just finish up the power steering conversion. Got a new pump.
All right.
The other one was leaking bad, so get the pump on, get the rag joint, get that all hooked up.
Cool, and that way you can drive this thing home. All right, guys, so here I am putting on the rag joint for Bill. Guys, quick update. We had to pull it out to clean up the threads in this hole right here. And Bill noticed I had put on the rag joint metal thing on backwards, so it's okay. You want it to cover this part and not the bolt head. So we're gonna put that on. Is pissed. Why?
Nice $20 bottle of power steering fluid. Come on.
That is ridiculous. All right, guys, power steering lines are on. Let's see what happens. Ooh. God damn. Get some fuel to prime up. All right, guys, we got the truck running, burping the coolant system. We're gonna let all the air bleed out of the power steering. All right, guys, we're just bleeding out all the air in the power steering. It's freaking working now. Although, in my opinion, I think the pump is a little worn out. You hear her, she doesn't sound the happiest, but it's steering all right, so that's cool. He always forgets that damn parking brake though. Hey Bill, you're always forgetting about that damn parking brake. So guys, enough of the walk around. I'd say it's time to hit the road. Oh no, guys, is that a cop gonna pull us over? All right, I'll cap it. We'll get going. Yeah, you got plenty of gas, yeah. Right now we're just beating time on not overheating because you do have that water pump leak. Have a high idle and a clutch that grabs kind of funny, so it's a little circus trying to drive this thing. There we are.
Another red light.
Always is that way, Bill. It's always a red light when you're right there. It's all right. Ease off of it. Easy, easy, easy. Oh man, guys. Later, copper. Let's go this way. You're literally trying not to burn out right there. That was so funny. Mustang coupe. Nice.
Halfway on the one.
You're over halfway. I'd say pull over at this chevron and let's let her cool down so you don't boil over. Something tells me that water pump isn't working that well. Oh. A little fuel leak.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Maybe that's... All right, so Bill, how was that?
Well, we were able to dodge about 3 cops that were all over me on the left, the right, next to me. So we just adding a little water. I got a bad water pump, and got to make it the 3.5 miles to the house. So
Will we make it?
we'll see if we can make the gauntlet here.
Right. Oh man, guys, another red light.
Brakes. No brakes.
No brakes?
Didn't feel like it. I couldn't stop that fucker.
Oh no. Ah, come on. Really? Another red light. Santa Rosa, the fucking city of red lights. You're in second. Doing some.
Yeah. Some is not.
Okay, keep her alive.
I swear to God, we got red lights and not as much traffic.
I mean, it's Santa Rosa nowadays, unfortunately. You're clear to cross through. At least here it's all neighborhoods. All right, safe and sound. Oh man, it's nighttime. So Bill, what do you, you a little nervous there or what?
The brakes lost our brakes on the way here, so e-brake was my friend, and the gears.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna need a lot of little things. So.
Guys, stay tuned for more videos on this K10 as we're gonna get it up to speed and make it daily drivable.